Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase cost basis method. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you change your Coinbase cost basis method to first in, first out, or FIFO? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update your Coinbase cost method to FIFO anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your accountant or CPA is going to guide you to change your crypto cost basis method to FIFO. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update your Coinbase cost basis method to FIFO or first in, first out, you're going to click on your initial here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the blue Manage Account button. All right, once you click there, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on Taxes. Once you click on Taxes, you're going to see these 5 options at the top, and you want to click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you're going to scroll down to this line right here, Cost Basis Method. You can see mine is highest in, first out. But to change that, you're going to click on Edit. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on this button here, I want to update. Okay, so now you can go ahead and change all of the tax years to first in, first out. Now be careful, because once you make this change, you're not going to be able to change that tax year again once you've chosen FIFO or first in, first out. Also, for the most recent tax year, you can see mine is 2025. Once you elect it as first in, first out, that election is going to continue on for the following tax years. You're not going to be able to change. Once you change it into first in, first out as the cost basis method, click on the blue Save button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your Coinbase cost basis method to first in, first out, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.